What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start a new build after George R34, which is still kind of in the works because, you know, just watch the little videos. Anyways, we have this nice lightning yellow GTT from a good friend and customer of mine. He wanted me to put it on my channel, so we're gonna put it on the channel. He's gonna be getting a lot of stuff. He's gonna be getting a lot of stuff. But let's check out the car before we talk about what he's getting. All right, cool. All right, so off rip, it has a stock RB25 Neo from factory, and it just doesn't make enough power for him to be happy. So we're gonna have to change that. So we're gonna do turbo, manifold, intake manifold, flex fuel, fuel rail, injectors, you know, the whole nine. I don't know if he got a radiator or not, but we're gonna do intercooler pipe in, everything he needs to make 500, and some safely. I think I should throw that in there, safely. Yeah, all right, cool. As you can see inside, I don't know, everybody with a damn GTT got a Nismo cluster. So yeah, Frank got a Nismo cluster. He got a carbon wheel. He got a Recaro seat, which I think he was gonna change. I got first dibs, he said. And he got some Nismo parts to do under there. We're also gonna be throwing a clutch in this thing, some tail lights. What else? We already did the wheels. Fuel pump, I don't know, man. Guys, I'm new to this. This is the second one we're doing, so I'll get better, but hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna go pull Frank's car apart. Alright, so wasted no time, got this thing stripped down, stock turbos off, stock intakes off, bumper, intercooler, everything's off because it's getting all that stuff new. Got to make some modifications under the intake manifold and get the valve covers over to the powder coater. But all the stock stuff is gone. It's time to put some of the nice fancy new parts we got on this thing. So you got Plasma Man intake, Artec turbo manifold, Garrett, Koyo radiator, Haltech 2500. Like the whole works this thing's getting. It's gonna be crazy. All right, Nick. The 15 over here, so y'all know what that means. It's about to go down, right, Nick? Nick over here tightening up Frank's car. Putting in his Nismo thermostat. Yeah, hey Frank, it don't say Nismo on it, bruh.
It definitely don't say Nismo.
You already know what time it is. My dog Frank got the Artec going in there. Nick, your favorite manifold to put on?
No.
No? Why not?
All that 3D printing, they could have made it easier to put the bolts in.
Only because he don't got an Artec on his car.
No.
I don't know, man.
You see this right here?
I don't know, man.
You see this right here?
Artec, why y'all doing my dog like that? He said
y'all could have made it easier to put the bolts in.
That's pretty easy compared to a lot of manifolds, Nick, unless you got a log style. Ain't nobody run those. So anyways, Nick is full tilt on there. We already made turbo drain, swapped it over there. Everything's stripped out. Come on, Nick.
What we doing?
I don't know. You're making it happen, right?
Oh, you want to put this on?
Nah, man. We don't care. They know we ain't finna. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bam! It's on. That's it. Hopefully you come back and we get the Plasma Man on, and then we'll be good. Let's see that fitment. Like we ain't showing them this. Hey Frank, when you see this, man, damn, you balling, and look who fingerprints on it. Okay, when you see the fingerprints, it's Nick fingerprints.
Yeah, Frank love me, so that's all that matters.
Man, you know what I'm saying? Woo! All right, so Frank's car's starting to shape up. Plasma Man intake on, fuel rail, turbos on the Artec, and we got intercooler mounted. So up next, we're gonna make some intercooler piping. Which is gonna be kind of tricky because we need here for the catch can. And that one's easy. I do that one all the time. So this one always seems to change with the different designs of catch can and stuff. But yeah, he's getting everything done. Water pump, timing belt, tensioners, everything to keep this thing running, looking as good as it does. Making crazy progress on there.
Damn. What's up, Frank? How you doing, bro? We getting you right. You know what I'm saying?
See, Frank, he got his hand on it, man. That means he touched it.
Oh, I touched it.
So, intake's already done. We finished up the intercooler pipe. Nick, move out the way. Got that nice intercooler pipe in so the bumper could clear. Got the intake on. All we got to do now is we need catch cans still. We need some wiring and exhaust. So, we'll have to stop this video here. Nick gonna tell them what you're gonna do, man. What you gonna say to them, Nick?
What we gonna say to do what?
I don't know, bro. What you gonna tell them?
Oh, we finna work on that red thing.
That's not what we're finna do. So, anyways, we gonna end this one here because Nick don't know what to say. The video is over for right now. Frank, we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully next one we'll have it wired, the exhaust, and this thing running, huh?
You're not gonna see him on the next one?
Yeah, man. You gonna see in the next one. You probably gonna pick it up by the time we get to the next video.
Oh, that's right. You finna get the whole, exhaust tune. Hey, what you want, bro?
End the video, bro. They say I don't be ending the video
Hey,
properly.
man, y'all need to go out there and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give us some thumbs up,
Nick's a
Tell
professional YouTube watcher,
know.
guys. He watches all the videos.
I get paid to watch YouTube, so y'all know just do what y'all do.
Hope your job don't see this shit.